5, make or break time.
I'm fat and out of shape, and I'm doing it.
Grizzbait, day 5, make or break time. We're going up to a silver mine where we're gonna wade in and probably die in a cave-in. And that's a poem, and I didn't know him. I got nothing. Okay, well, survived thus far. Excited to get out and explore one last beautiful slice of British Columbia with this crew of lovable reprobates and Dallas. Let's go.
Ah, it smells like two-stroke exhaust and desperation up here. A little bit of piss in the pants, I think. Mostly me. I don't like how far in front I am right now. That's not good. And here's Satan himself, prepared to drag us down to hell with him all day long. That's literally his nickname. I'm not being an asshole. Okay, so we're headed up to a silver mine. This one's supposedly pretty tough. It's definitely going to push me, but I've decided today, instead of focusing on the anxiety and terror, I'm going to decide I'm a person that likes difficult things and that I enjoy riding hard and embrace the suck. That's what I'm gonna do. That's my plan. We'll see how long that lasts. I gave myself about an hour. It's gonna be a day. So these are our spectacular guides. This is Kyle. On Instagram, he's at Kyle Greer CR Life. I don't remember if there's an underscore on that or not. I think there is. And then this is 6 Dirty Curdy, Kurt. And these guys have done a great job, not only getting us to amazing places, but helping us when we have dumbassery going on. It was Kurt that got me out of that weird stuck spot on day 2 on that stupid waterfall chute. Here's Harry. He's riding today despite doing hairy things yesterday. He figures he could have been here or in the kitchen, and he figures this way he's on his feet less. Makes sense. Makes sense. That is the logic of a 23-year-old if I've ever heard it. There he is. Oh, this is the water crossing. Great. Oh, nuggets. All right, all cameras rolling. Let's f this up. In one way or the other, it's gonna happen. Oh. Oh. Well, so much for my super cool plan of going straight through.
Get your momentum?
Yeah.
Just run right through.
I was going to be so awesome and keep my momentum, and then I did not.
That happens to all of us. Woohoo! Yeah, there!
You dip. Don't give me something to aim for. Jay is celebrating by putting on a striptease on the side of the trail. Actually, I think that is the rare hairless Sasquatch that's only found here in BC. Hairless, tutu-wearing Sam Squanch, Canadian native. Woo! Lawrence of Arabia, British Beatlemania. Anyway, it's all downhill from here. By downhill, I mean incredibly difficult uphill. So let's crush it. Look at that! Holy hell! Look at this. Look at that. Wow. Spectacular. That is beyond spectacular. It's magnificent. Spectaculificent. Stay. Stay. Be good. The kids like the vertical. Hey guys, look cool. This is my thumbnail. Okay, well that's ugly. U-G-L-Y, you ain't got no alibi, you ugly. Glacier. Pretty steep. Should be standing. Trying to save energy for the hard part, slash we're just not moving that fast as a group. probably waddle diet the rest of the way, 'cause getting any speed up now is gonna be very difficult. Well, get your ass back and spin it to win it, I guess. This is a 45-degree incline probably, maybe steeper. Camera's not gonna show it, but it is, and it's loose, rocky garbage. Like, I would be winded walking up this, easily. I'm pretty sure I can get up this. Damn it, this sucks, dude. Ugh. Come on, mother. I gotta use my advantage.
It's right over your car.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stand up. Come on. Get up the hill. Get up the hill. Come on. Get your weight forward. Grab the tank with your knees. Get your weight off the bars. Let the tire spin and climb the damn hill. Dude. You got this, bro. Come on. This is not even hard. Nope. Momentum. More important than anything. Keep it up. That's neutral. Oh, this is something. Don't worry, it's only like 10 more miles of this. Yeah, this isn't good. Stopping is not good. Man, why am I going there? That was not a great line. I know I shouldn't be waddling this, but I'm just not. It's just not clicking, man. It's the hardest shit I've ever done. Not even close. And we get to come back down this, so yeah. This should be rideable. I know I can do it. The elevation doesn't help. Do I have no business up here? Maybe.
See, traction is not really available.
I mean, to be fair, This is not the kind of riding I ever set out to do. Like, I'd like to be good enough to get through stuff like this if I have to, but I'm just not the guy that seeks out half-mile boulder hill climbs just to see if I can do it. The reward is going to be worth it, and I'm going to keep going. I'm going to ride this thing. Now I'm just waiting for it to be clear. I'm catching my breath, but dude, I'm going to get my ass kicked. I'm not afraid to admit it. It's okay. Oh, yep, see? Skid plate, bro. Skid plate, bro. A little easier, huh? Looks like it. There's a line anyway. Woo! That was something. And apparently, it's not even the worst section. Grizzbait! Woo! Sick.
Yeah.
So much for flattening out, eh?
Yeah, this is it right here. This is it.
All right, let's attempt. Dells calls this the gates of hell, so good times. It, bro. Blew it. You blew it! Sucking today, man. Sucking today. Dork on the ground. Keep it. Want to push, man? Ridiculous, man. Ridiculous, man. And again, oh, we gotta come down this. You all right, man? You okay? What am I stuck at? Hey, rock. Oh, really? You gotta be kidding me. This is not what I signed up for.
And now, a word from Angry Dork to all the internet haters.
Yeah, I'm fat and out of shape, and I'm doing it. So you if you're gonna make fun of me. Get your ass out here and do something this challenging to you. Or sit on your ass and leave stupid YouTube comments about you don't have the courage to attempt. How about that? That's my motivational message for the day. Like, in a nice way, but also not. Wow, that was awful.
Yeah, the depth will not come across on this camera, but basically the really small valley all the way down there is where we started today. And we're not done. We're going up here. Yeah. So, you know, come visit my grave up here at some point if you're so inclined. Everybody's super energetic after that climb.
It's not safe here.
This is the advanced group taking the trail that I have no interest in. Todd, however, is a maniac. So is Dan. There he goes. Look at that. Right there is more than I want to do. Damn. These guys are good. Oh, okay. I shouldn't have said that. I jinxed Todd. Sorry, Todd. You got it, bro! Woo!
Well, the Daredevils have gone to the right. We are going to the left. Supposedly spectacular view up here. We shall see. Oh my my God, heaven. Oh, holy Jesus. Holy mackerel. What? I'm speechless. Speechless. How does this even exist? Look at this up here, just nestled in between these mountains. This beautiful little valley with a lake and a meadow. Oh my God. Well, we found the Garden of Eden. Turns out it was in BC. The guys that did the Daredevil route are right up there. You can see them on the very top of the ridge line. In the saddle there, they just rode all the way up there. Wow. Let me get you a panorama because this is spectacular.
It's like our trail.
Look at this sweet track on the right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bud. We're in Canada, bud. Oh yeah, bud. Nice boulder. Even real. So these are all mining roads, obviously. They're not running log trucks up here. Not only because, well, it sucks road-wise, but because there's no damn trees. So yeah. Look at this, bro. Look at it. Look at it. I am delirious from lack of oxygen. And my ears are folded over in a very uncomfortable way. So that.
Well, this camera had an ND filter on it when I started this climb. It is gone. So if that's the only casualty, we're doing well. We're doing well. So if it's a little brighter, that's why. Look at this back. Jesus. This is the best shot of my life. I'm a filmographer now or something. There's Alex. Doing Alex stuff. You know, many things in life are not as they're advertised to be. They're exaggerated. They're you want to see the good parts, right? They carefully curate what you learn about the thing before you experience it, but it is exactly what it says it is in every video you watch. Unbelievable. Just dream come true. I am the luckiest dude on earth. I have ridden from the very southern tip of Baja all the way up here to the mountains of northern BC this year, and it's all thanks to you. Couldn't do it without you guys. Thanks for making it possible for me to live my literal dreams. And thanks for coming along with me, because holy ish. Wow. Wow. Get out there and have your adventures. So worth it to take risks and chances. Well, so worth it to get outside your comfort zone. First step is the hardest. Literally here. It's also the only step you take forever.
He's Dork in the road and he loves to camp. Got a new 4Runner, now he overlands. Got a new 360 camera, gonna run it in the frame. Let's go camp with Dork. Now we're going down to the mine.
So we're going up to the mine, and we're not riding this portion for reasons. A pile of rocks right there is a good reason. This is the trail, so, you know, I don't know why we didn't ride up here. So here's the railroad tracks. They go nowhere.
It's just a lunch area.
Lunch area? Sorry, I don't know where to go.
No, that's okay.
Get all the tetanus I can.
It would be on that side.
Okay.
That's where it's deeper.
I appreciate that.
No, these are
Pretty flooded.
walking in the water.
That's all the footage you're getting.
Yeah.
It's wet. All right, here we go, Tetanus Express.
Well, every geologist's dream. Oh my God. And then they what? Took it out, took the ore out on mules? I guess the road may have been wider at one point. Wow.
I don't know, probably not mine.
All right, we're about to ride back through the Devil's Gateway, or the gates to hell. The other one's flat, and now it isn't. Foot pegs, you don't need those. And we're not clearing because reasons. I'll follow Lawrence line because he seems to know what he's doing. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, that was the worst. That was the worst part. It's not easy ahead, but that was the worst part.
Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Yeah.
Matt, Dallas is following me now, so if you're confused.
Yep. Matt, I suspect Matt is your editor.
Matt is my editor.
Nice to meet you, Matt.
That's Dallas.
Yep, that's me.
He's gonna say a few choice words on the way down.
Matt, I am gravity. We call this the gravity challenge. There goes Ben. Ben is doing absolutely spectacularly. Just awesome that he's here. There we go. For those of you who are new to this style of riding, as always, the camera really flattens everything. So probably for you guys it seems like we're riding along a sidewalk, but it's actually a decent sized downhill, and these guys really struggled coming up this morning. We don't want any mishaps on the way down. Mishaps. That's called low blood sugar, kids. Ben's line selection is excellent. That comes with a lot of experience typically. Newer riders don't usually get line choice. This is a beautiful 2-track that leads up to a mountain, glacier, and a lake. It is difficult. We end this ride typically because it's not easy, but also because the views are spectacular. And it's a very social ride because we just get to hang out there in the Alpine with everyone, and everyone has a real nice time. He got away from me, sneaky, slippery dork. We're on to him now. There we go. Anyway, Ben did great. It was great to have him. His personality fit in with the group, which is clever and snarky. And he likes to stop really quickly, and he wants me to snuggle up to that beautiful glacier shot for you, Matt. Nice pan for you, buddy. Pretty damn good. Now to catch the Dork. Oh, I suspect he's going to catch hello. And we'll catch him, I hope. Oh, it's Teresa. He's awesome. Yep, he's awesome. You're all good, you're okay. There's no water in the airbox, so you're okay. Yeah, no worries on that one. We are filming, and here comes the man himself. Yeah. So on this next section, if you're gonna fall uphill, don't fall downhill.
Why?
Downhill's bad.
Oh, okay.
You'll get trapped, and there'll be like water coming in the airbox, and yeah.
My feet are wet, dude.
Yeah. Beautiful place to stop. Yeah.
I'll take this one. Thanks, dude. Appreciate it.
No worries. Yeah. Lots of fun.
Anyway, we're almost back to the van. Oh my God, what an unbelievable week. I'm shocked that I survived. I really am. I'm really proud and happy, although today was, you know, a slog at times. I knew that going in. I knew it was going to be a struggle. It's frustrating when I know my skill is better than what I'm doing. But like I said, the lesson I'm learning. It's not an excuse, it's just the reason that this is happening. I fully own it. But my physical fitness, man, I just can't do what I need to do for long enough to do stuff like this. But God, boy, have my eyes been open as to what's possible, what's rideable. And this bike is not more capable than my 450L. My 450L is more powerful, has a better suspension. It's better all around than this little 250. So anything I can do on this, I can do on my 450L at home. And it's really got me thinking a dirt bike might be fun. Although I need to give that some serious thought, because what am I going to do on it that I couldn't just do on my L, other than have 60 less pounds of weight? But I have to say, just the hugest, massivest of thank yous to Dallas and the Traction E-Rack crew for inviting me to come be part of this. You know, Tim, Harry, Georgia, Jay, Vish, who am I forgetting? Jess Cook is like the coolest person on earth in my book. Keep me well and I'll love you forever. But thank you so much for the opportunity, not just to come out and ride and see the beauty of Canada, to expand my concept of what's even possible on a motorcycle, and to see some of the most beautiful parts of this planet. And I'm just so unbelievably fortunate and thankful to all of you for who have really made it possible. Who have really made it possible for me to live my dream and ride from the tip of Baja all the way up to northern BC in the same year. Just words can't even describe. I'm a lucky bastard. And it's not something that I ever imagined for myself, even 5-6 years ago. And so, you know, it is possible to go out and live the life you've imagined, or at least have the adventures that maybe right now don't even seem possible to you. And the most important thing is you take that first step, you step outside your comfort zone, you get out there, you try to find what works for you, whether that's motorcycling or not, camping, hiking, I don't know. The point of this channel, obviously, is to help people who want to get into motorcycling, but you can get out and have adventures in a million different ways. And I want you to find the courage and the encouragement. I want you to feel empowered. It was that way. I want you to feel empowered and encouraged and enlightened and educated, and just find. I'm so tired. It's been a long week, but all I want to do is inspire other people to find the happiness that I've found, and I hope that in some small way I'm able to do that for you, or for someone you send this video to, or something like that. But anyway, what a week. I just want to say thank you very much for watching, coming along this series of videos. I hope you enjoyed them, and please do not forget to be excellent.